Hi guys! Today I am super duper excited because we are going to be unboxing Tacto Coding from Shifu. Let's get started. You guys are probably wondering, what is Tacto Coding? Well, Tacto Coding turns your tablet into an adventure zone. It brings games to life, one code at a time. Let's see what's inside. We have a draw to connect and define the path. We use this to rotate and select the correct direction. We slide and select the best option with this. We have two functions to save our code and replay it anytime during the game. So these frames, you put them on the side of your tablets so you can put your figurines here, for example, like this. Okay guys, so you need to download the app Tacto, which I already did. And then you need to go in it to start it. So we are using Tacto Coding, so let's select that. Oh my god! This is so cool. Okay, let's do this one.
Mr. Buffy's Code to Happiness. It's a happy, happy day. A problem, a worry, or just feeling blue. Mr. Buffy and Mr. Big are here for you. Oh, we're ready.
How about this one? I know.
I know. The car goes honk honk. The train goes. The students in the class couldn't answer this question. Let's find out why.
Let's start with the elephant.
I raised my trunk to answer, but it hurt, so I put it down.
How does a dip in the pool sound? You'll feel better in a jiffy now.
150. Okay, so we need to do 50. We need to set it to 50 and use this one. We gotta use the rotate and wait for it to come. Oh, it's coming.
Toy. Oil.
We need some oil. Alright, there goes. And it. And it. Yay!
Lovely. Let's make the water fragrant now.
So we're gonna need 3 flowers. Oh, look, here comes one.
Flower.
Alright, let's wait for another one. Yes, here it comes. I'm ready.
Oil.
Yes, I got it. Okay, I need to go quick. Uh-oh. There you go.
That worked like magic.
Oh my god. Now let's play the Maki Ika.
The code of Maki Ika.
Now let's do the second one.
Look, there's a ladder this time.
Now let's focus on the ladder. So we're gonna drag it here. And then we're gonna do climb.
Climb.
How many times? Well, how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times is gonna have to climb.
3.
Alright. Let's see if we're right. Oh my god, guys, we did it! Guys, I had so much fun playing Tacto Coding. If you want to get this game, the link will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!